Story time. Sana download ko na yung aming billings for the October for the ILPI or Iligan Light. Oo. So nakita ko yung OSCA. So I was thinking, hala, meron palang discount yung mga senior when it comes sa light. I was thinking it's a 20% discount like the other usual discount sa mga seniors. And then yun, nagka-interest ako. Tumawag ako sa kanila asking the requirements and everything. And they told me the requirements are this. So one requirements is barangay certifications na you are residents of Iligan, as well as na yung purpose ilagay lang is due to senior citizen discount. And then of course, ID ng senior citizens or yung kanilang OSCA ID. So tinanong ko yung customer service, sabi ko, is it valid kung kahit na anong klaseng senior kung hindi siya within Iligan? At first, hindi siya, nagdisagree siya, pero sabi na, ask ko lang muna yung mga kasama ko. So after asking, so okay lang daw na senior citizen siya or yung ID niya is produced by other municipalities. So I was relieved. So sabi ko, ay buti na lang magagamit ng aking father ang kanyang senior citizen ID. And then of course, attached yung kanyang valid ID. And then yun na nga, after that, pumunta kami sa PI asking this and that, submitting the applications. So only to find out, hindi pala 20%, kundi 5% pala ang off. And then yun na nga, hindi pa kami naka-avail kasi sabi ng customer service na ang aming property is under commercial type or classification. Sabi ko, how come it's a commercial when in fact it's a residential? So sabi niya, we need an inspection. So sabi niya, mag-write kayo ng letter. So on the spot, gumawa ko ng letter. Thank you kay ChatGPT for revising my letter chart. So yun na nga, I don't know when nila i-inspect ang aming property. It's a good thing kung ma-approve or if ever hindi naman, wala rin tayong magagawa. So anyway, there is a limit when it comes sa discount ng senior citizen. Aside from 5% na discount o sa inyong electrical bills, dapat umabot kayo ng 100 kilowatts. So kayo magkaroon ng 5% off. O diba? May mga rulings. Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and have a nice discount.